Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about limit. So now I want to show you how to answer. If I put number 0 cone here, number 0 cone here, we have 1 minus 1, we have 0. This one you got 0. So we have 0 over 0. So we can use about L hospital. That means we need to do first derivative on numerator and denominator. So if we do first derivative of this one, we have like this. So we have number 2 with the square root gone here. Later that we do first derivative of this one. Number 1, that is about the constant. So you got 0 in here. Now for this one, if we do first derivative of e to the power of s squared, we have 2s e to the power of s squared in here. For this one, first derivative of number 1, that is about the constant. So you got 0 in here. This one, we have sine s plus s cosine s. And now I will put sine s and s cosine s over s go outside. So we have like this. And this one we can put like this. So number 2 and number 2, we have number 4. Next, we have sine s divided by s, s divided by s. So we have like this. Next, we have the formula in here. So we know that this one equals to number 1. So sine s over s, when s approach to number 0, we have number 1. And now we have the final answer in here. So this one we have number 1. We put number 0 gone here, gone here, gone here, and here. So cosine of number 0, we have number 1. This one we have number 1. This one we have number 0. And now we have the final answer. And that is about 1 over 2. This is the end. Thank you for watching.